Taga-tuhod yung snow. This Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight to all my friends near and far. Ito po si Marilyn. Together with me is my husband.
Trying to stay cool or warm.
Yeah, guys, ang lamig-lamig. It's very cold. We just had winter storm a few days ago and the road is not yet clear. I mean, some of it at least. Pero sa aming neighborhood dito, sa aming bahay na tinitirahan namin ngayon, it's manageable. But anyway, punta kami sa bagong bahay and titingnan lang namin kung anong effect ng snowstorm doon sa kabilang bahay para kung mayroong mga problema ayusin, but I'm sure walang problema. So anyway, antabayanan niyo po kasi may gagawin ako doon. So see you there.
Show the sunrise and
Ang ganda. Yan yung snow namin dito and look at the tapestry of God's creation, ha?
keep it. You can see the snow better.
Oh, ang snow ay napakakapal. In fairness, I like the contrast of the colors of the trees against the sky. Which one is
Trees
which?
against the sky.
Yeah. Ganda. And then, at ditong kabila, tingnan niyo yung snow. Parang hanggang taga-tuhod yan. So, ilang araw na kami hindi nakalabas. But finally. I mean, I like the color of the sky. How everything is like against the gray hue of the sky. I don't know what that is. But yan. Yan ang pinaka-paborito kong sunset. So, tingnan nyo guys. Ito po, yung aming old neighborhood, soon to be old neighborhood. And it's very vibrant. May malaking gas station dyan. And doon sa kabila, napakaraming mga tindahan, grocery stores. No, not grocery. We don't have grocery stores nearby here. Mga ano lang, less than 10 minutes yung grocery stores namin. Tapos, yan. Crafty Crab. Doon sa kabilang road, mayroon kami mga restaurants at saka mga craft store. Ang dami-dami. But doon sa bagong titirahan namin guys, wala. Hindi ka makakita ng mga ganitong infrastructure. So, tingnan natin kung lilipat na kami, kung hanggang kailan kami maglalast doon. See how vibrant our city is. I kind of like it here. Kasi ang daming mga taong makikita mo, ang daming mga sasakyan. Ay, ewan ko. But still, thank you Lord.
The dark.
Tingnan nyo, ito yung neighborhood namin. Ang daming mga infrastructures. But talking about bahay guys, don't you know na maraming mga Americans na walang bahay and some of them are homeless. Wala nang bahay. Of course, they're homeless. So nakakitira na lang sila. May mga infrastructures or may mga government or private entities dito na nagbibigay ng temporary accommodation sa mga taong walang matitirahan. So they can like accommodate them for a few nights. Tapos mayroong malaking mga buildings. Tapos may mga cots. May mga beds. Tapos they can stay there for, for the night. Tapos libreng dinner, and then in the morning they will leave. Tapos hanap sila ng trabaho, and then they can always come back at night. So ganda din ng mga programs dito sa America because we have some services like that. So kahit na yung tao ay may homeless, might mapupuntahan siya, especially this weather na napakalamig. Parang dinudurog yung puso ko makakita ko ng ganito guys. Alam nyo ba na most of these homeless people are former soldiers? But anyway, yan po. Anong nangyari dito sa aking eyeliner? Ay, nako, karpintera. Bagay ka lang talaga magka-karpintera. Hindi ka bagay mag-makeup. Ooh, this is dangerous. Pag maslide tayo nito, buhay. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Kroger kasi gusto kong bumili ng ito guys, yung dangerous. Ang daming namamatay nito. Lalo na mga matatanda kasi na-slide sila. When I was still working at the hospital, oh my gosh, during winter time, dami kawawa talaga mga matatanda na nasa-slide. Tapos brain bleed sila. Yan. Ay, ang lakas ng music. So, mag-CPR na naman tayo nito. But anyway, nandito kami sa Kroger kasi kukuha ako ng mga essentials para sa ating bubble jacuzzi. So, kukuha kami, yes, ng bubble bath, soap. Tapos, ano pa ba? Probably some other stuffs like, oy, ito oh. Parang masarap itong singhutin. Strawberry banana. Is that strawberry banana? Tapos sabi ng sawa ko, huwag kang bibili dyan, $14 yan, ang mahal eh. Naghahanap siya ng napakamura. Merong mura guys, $3 or $2 in fact. Kaya lang, hindi siya bubble bath. Yan. Wala talaga kaming makita. Yan, $4.99, $5.49. Wala talaga shampoo eh. May shampoo naman kami. So, bubble bath lang talaga yung kailangan ko and walang nadu yung asawa ko kasi walang available na mas mura. So, yun. Patay, paano tayo dadaan dito? Oh my gosh, tagatuhod yung snow. This is not good. Tingnan niyo pa ako, oh. Tagatuhod yung snow. This is... Ah! Tingnan yung pa ako. Nasa tuhod yung snow. Nako. Lord help, paano ba ito? Yung snow na ano na, pumasok na sa aking boots. Ah! Sabi ko kay Cory mag-sled ako dito ayaw niya. What are we going to do? This is not good. Ay! Ay! Takot ako ma-slide. Although, pag ma-slide ka, okay lang din naman kasi parang ma-slide ka sa buhangin. In fact, mas soft pa ito kaysa buhangin eh. Kaya lang, iba mababasa yung puwet mo. Hindi naman masyadong mabasa kasi powdery itong snow. Oh my gosh. Ito na. Finally. Yung sapatos ko. Welcome home. Alam nyo guys, itong tub na ito ay ukay-ukay. Thought I saw a man brought to life. Magnified. Gusto ko talaga yung kanta na yan. But anyway, mag-decorate muna tayo. That is why I'm torn. I'm not late. This is how I feel. Ito guys, itong candle na ito, I think we got this during our wedding. Ito yung candles na ginagamit namin. I don't know, nakalimutan ko na, but parang. So, if that was the case, then I have this candle for almost 19 years na. Imagine, 19 years old at hindi ko pa nagamit. Ayokong gamitin ito as what I've mentioned to you in the previous videos that I had in the past. Previous na past, but yung mga candles ko, nasasayangan ako, kaya hindi ko ginagamit. But just for decoration purposes, ilagay ko lang muna yan dyan. Alam niyo guys, nung college ako, even high school, I started reading books. Nag-start ako nung high school, first year high school, everybody was speaking English and hindi ko alam kung paano ako mag-i-English. I had to learn how to speak English. And so, how did I know how to go with the flow with my English-speaking classmates in high school? Ito, nagbabasa po ako ng mga novels. So until now, I still love Danielle Steele. I love Sidney Sheldon. And yun talaga silang dalawa yung mga pinaka-paborito ko. So while nandito ako sa ating jacuzzi, I might as well, enjoy my time. Ilagay ko lang ito dito. And of course, while reading, syempre, kain din tayo ng chocolate, di ba? Kaya lang parang napuno na itong lamesa ko. And syempre, mag-kiss-kiss din tayo ng ating mga dalikdik. So, binili ko ito. Sa lahat ng mga renovations ko, I've been doing this trade for probably 10 years now. 10 taon na po ako nagbabuy and sell ng mga houses. Bumibili ako ng mga lumang-luma at sira ng mga bahay. Tapos, inaayos ko. And then after that, I sell them at a higher price. Tapos, I think ang pinaka-rason kung bakit madalas akong nahalinan guys in less than a month halin kaagad or nabinta kaagad yung mga houses ko is because pinapa-sure ko talaga na yung kitchen at saka yung bathroom are the most important part of the house that I really make beautiful. Like sa lahat ng mga renovations ko, I make sure that lahat ng mga bathrooms are parang spa-like na pagpapasok doon yung potential na mga buyers ay sasabihin nila, I can imagine myself here, soaking in the tub. So, ganun talaga yung drive ko. Kung magbili ako ng bahay, I already have like something in my mind on how to beautify the bathroom that was once dilapidated. And if you'd like to see my other bathroom renovations, I can put a link in the description below. Tingnan nyo po kung paano ko ginagawa ng maganda yung mga bathroom na sirang-sira na talaga.